This is the latest in dancehall and social media news so far. Red Ants accused of leaving Anna with newborn Wilbert because it is alleged that the child is not his but is Anna lying to get the public to sympathize and gift her for the holidays.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Anna and Red Ants are back at it again. She finally had her baby and then the rumors started that Red Ants brought her to do a DNA test and the results were that the child wasn't his.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
An alleged nurse was said to have sent pictures of her baby out on the internet, and I'm starting to wonder if people in that field are even that desperate for money, because why would you release a patient's personal information? If this is really true, how low can you go? However, people are really now starting to think that Anna is just doing these things for shock factor because she always ends up where her baby daddy is. Nobody believes you now because when you cry wolf you always end up right back in the arms of Red Ants. Social media is going crazy over Anna's baby name Wilfred, and fans and influencers alike are wondering what caveman gave her that name to give her baby.
Ring out the picnic name, so totally important. I wish me did live naturally. I want to live naturally, you know. God know me tired. I want to enjoy my little life and can't enjoy my little life. If I score, me score. Wilbert. What the f with Wilbert? What is wrong with it? Cut it short and call him Willie.
I don't know what Red Ants and Anna really be thinking, but if you don't want your child to be teased at school, don't give them ancient names like these.
Oh God, my brother, you don't deserve this, my brother. You don't deserve this. Oh God, Jesus Christ, my brother had up our fridge. Oh God, oh God. I wish if God could give you a next chance, my brother. I wish your Father God could give you a next chance, my brother.
TikTok influencer 41 BussHead, whose correct name is Marvin, was taken out of this world Friday night just an hour before midnight, which would have marked his 23rd birthday. Fans were left in shock because he was on TikTok when this horrible occurrence took place. It was said that BussHead went to his hairstylist where he lives in Montego Bay, and after coming from his hairstylist was seen on TikTok where his phone fell from his hand, and that was the last thing everyone saw. Fans waited patiently for him to retrieve his phone only to later hear the horrific news. His unaliving is as a result of a reprisal after it is said that BussHead's brother unalived someone, and now the end result is his brother paying the price. BussHead TikTok co-workers were left dazed because some of them were playing TikTok match with him before they would last see him.
And Chun-Li, and then they start.
We confirm with you.
Soon come. We are going to a car.
Fix the ball. Come here, we get restricted for. Add who? Swiss confirm.
Yes,
Swiss confirm. Yes?
Yes, they confirm.
Jamaica too dangerous, yeah?
But it's just so scary. It's just so scary.
Me that never live back at Jamaica. Before I go to Jamaica, I go live my rather go.
Lie.
Wonder if we not get the puzzle like everything will go on. Me free if it... Guys, go on, no, go on, please, go on. Go on, me go come off. Me afraid. I wonder if you see the puzzle. You know see the puzzle? It's like a game. You know see the puzzle? Naya make video before him dead and say, nobody can kill me. Me turn on me yard. So nobody can see me if you kill me. Naya dead, pan live in him yard.
Why do you me a pass one screen record? Why me goosebump attack me? Me feel me so scared right now. Me feel it's sad, but me start to wonder who next. Me goosebump attack me. Honestly, it's like a game or something. When I said that before Naya dead, Naya make a video and say nobody can take him life so easily. Kinda go a road, him stay in him yard. Naya dead pan life in him yard. The other day when the Naya situation are going and everybody you know a vent and whatever, me I scroll through some vlogger pages and I say BussHead make one video. And BussHead was saying in the video, say Naya not have no friend. Naya ne have no one and two friend for tell him say one man a come for him. Only your friend them can do your things. That's why and BussHead himself repeat what Naya said. And BussHead said that's why me not got road so nobody can. I can't find the video, you know. I can't find the video. BussHead talk it pan live say nobody can do him nothing because him stay him yard too and him no keep a bagger, him no keep bagger friend. Him turn him yard. Him always there. Father God, who guys me gone.
He kill his people and went sit down on the yard and make video. I calculate how much money the rankers them a make and how much the diamonds them equivalent to. Uno accountant? Uno a TikTok accountant? Uno a burst of a TikTok? Eh? Uno know so you can put him on their life in a more danger. Someone know what about it's already out there, enough people don't know. Uno know so you can put the people in life in a more danger. Why you love to sit down and watch people money so? And that's why Jamaica can better. All you do is sit down and watch people pocket. And that's so you get ready and long and gluttonous and bad mind. You sit down and watch people money too much. Instead of you there calculate how much money man them make. Why you not go sit down and try and make some of my money when you calculate? You corrupt your fuck.
These TikTokers need to be careful of the type of things they say to each other because words are powerful. I feel a way for BussHead, but if you have family in badness, it always never turn out well. You become a target.
Careful of the social media platforms them, alright? Can't say me never want to know, believe it or not. Me not force nobody to believe me. But can't say me never want to know. The news confirmed. Yes, see that. May I tell you guys, send on a request no man. Tap up his screen guys. At least 10k guys. 5 minutes for each person in the box. Ryan, send him back your request, bro. Apologize for the long waiting, bro.
Yeah, man, my God. In real, me send you a picture, you know. Send you in the inbox not too long.
Jaja. And
You hear me?
Tomorrow, yeah, me I hear him. Me hear say tomorrow.
Yeah, man,
I'm
me just send you in
birthday,
your TikTok inbox.
So,
Face mash out. If
in
face mash up, man, go.
You're saying that if all of him face gone, like you can hardly recognize him. So even if you see a picture of him, you can't recognize him.
So if you're in base Spanish shorts and in clothes when you wear, because you know you're wearing little shorts them. But other than that, you can see say be a face. Be a face shot. Be a
Jaja. So
yeah, man, be a face shot thing, get man.
Within the next 1 hour, a few minutes, him for celebrating birthday. So within the next 1 hour and a couple minutes, him should have celebrating birthday and him get unalive a few hours away from him birthday.
And watch you know, you see youth where police them lick off by Kemar YG tonight a film set up, you know. A Sunday my berry.
Jaja. Bro, but me been SYM. Bro, me
Yo.
know say a lot of people might not believe me when me dey on TikTok I pray, bro. Me feel like I am the only person on TikTok actually pray, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Me feel like that, bro. And you see when Naya died, bro, me I watch everything from World Dog incident I come up in a bro. And me realize that something is wrong with TikTok in a bro. Something is on TikTok in a bro. Nothing wrong with
Yo.
the app, but something some evil, brother. Somebody invite some evil on TikTok, bro, and
Yeah,
it a
man.
rampage through the app, bro. It a
Yeah.
rampage through the app, bro.
Something I go on straight through it up right through, man. God no.
The evil
Terrible.
was not on TikTok, but somebody invited it, bro. So now it's here, bro.
Yeah, well, you see anyway negative and bad vibes there. The devil will invite you and be welcome there, dog. And remember, I up just cantankerous and the violent talking and them type of thing there. So, you see me? Even though Naya unalive, the man them still not even did calm down pan the fuckery same way. Every day I see him fuckery, every day same way.
Bro, nobody, none of the rankers, them, now when bro, me a host alive, bro, me I tell you, say, me not see none of the rankers, them, I set example, bro, me not see none of the man, them have 4,000, 5,000 people I follow them, they pan them live, day in, day out, bro, and none of the man, them not take 3 hours out idea, bro, for give God thanks, bro, for life, bro, for tell God, say, yo, thanks to protect me, bro, for tell God, say, yo, thanks to cover me and protect me from my enemies, them, bro. None of the man, them, brother, no business, but God, bro, so, oh, God, I gotta help them, brother. When weapon form against them, oh God, I go help them, bro.
Woman speaks about Brittany Gorf and the spiritual side of what she think is happening on the app.
People, come make a reason and talk. Wanna do remember when Jamaica was a place where do support Sodomite and Batman? Wanna remember when Jamaica was a place where if you're Batman, you can't in a Jamaica as a Batman and come out to brawling as a Batman or as a lesbian in a Jamaica. Alright. And realize that Jamaica change. Jamaica is not that country again like what we used to have. When realize say a man can turn Batman right as so and the Dan live next door and him not trouble him. When realize say Jamaica turn to a state where Batman come and give any straight man and them accept it. That's just one. When realize say Jamaica changing in so much way. That's money because the people them hungry. We must state that first. Me no just go talk about money. Jamaica people hungry. And it and make them a sell them soul. Jamaica people are sell them soul and not even know. Them a sell them soul and they don't even know it. Jamaica people sell off their soul and not even know it. You don't know it. First, let me go down the details. You don't know. It was a college graduate dead pan in live. You remember that? First person dead pan in live is a college graduate. TikTok, I might never big as BussHead or whatever we popular so I don't know, but yeah, remember him. Then Naya, then BussHead, dead pan in live. People, you remember say Joe get shot, a part of the TikTok industry that. Joe get shot, Sticky Anna dead, Samantha dead, World Dog get shot. So, you know, tell me now if something wrong with the TikTok industry. But anyway, we are go down to one more details again. Because I no believe nothing, you know, because so no stay. Alright? Remember, Landale receive couple lions. And after Landale receive them lions there, Landale not talk about again on TikTok. Then I yes Landales they are worms. Then take Landale and put Landale on worms. Then Them same people we are talking about. Naya, BussHead, all of them receive 7 lions. These people receive 7 lions. Me no want to tell me say me I say foolishness, you know. Because I know what me I say. I just uno fi figure it out. 7 lions these people receive before they dead. All of them receive 7 lions. Alright. People, you know no sense. You know look into it. Britney was the wisest person on TikTok. And I say it again, and Britney now got it. Britney the only person we got to stay here as the queen of TikTok. Because Britney is the smartest one. Britney find out say, Britney get the dream and find out say, this is a cult thing. This is her downfall. And this I go dead. She say Britney say she go her bed and something try to kill her in her sleep. Britney was the first one to sacrifice on the app. Britney never take it. Britney send back the lion them to whoever send the lion to her. Britney alive to the day. And BussHead come and BussHead cuss and BussHead cuss Britney so much. And say Britney, for low, uno make uno collect uno lion, because Britney get her breakthrough, she send back the lion, but she's alive. Uno receive uno lion them, and uno them. Uno receive uno lion them, and uno get sacrifice. Uno receive uno lion them, and uno me not have to call no name, me not call no name because me know uno mix up. But me just tell uno, because uno have nobody back. Because now BussHead just every TikToker, almost all of them click their live this morning and them a big taps and roses the same way. And them a big gift same way. They don't give a fuck. Say my TikTok brother dead. Now you're dead with you and nobody no give a fuck. Can the two look there where them cry and it done. Then a member says people life lost on the internet, pan them live, pan TikTok. Then don't give a fuck about that. Be careful. Remember on one. Me rather be a vlogger than a live streamer because the live streamer them. Listen what me I say to you. Be careful. Me want to know. Careful of the 7 lion. You see the 7 lion where I come from the east and the west and the north and the south. That 7 lion there. Careful of the 7 lion there. Because I love money. That's why I money. That's why I money. That's why I money. And I see him so when you see the 7 lion, it's hard for you to refuse the 7 lion. But Britney did that. Alright.
Fabbi and Jayden are now the most liked couple on TikTok, and every one of their disagreements seem to land on TikTok. Because you started on TikTok doesn't mean the whole world should see you angry at each other.
What's mother girl? I want you. What's mother? I want you. Me and nobody. I will be there. Me and nobody, I will be there.
Just because
Who make can't talk to now? Who make can't talk to now? Who you tell about them mother? Big girl, can't tell me about them mother. No way I do you No way I do you That me make you know girl. No way I big that do you everything I want to do on life. No way I do you Cause girl, I want you. You are nobody man.
Honestly, this is past disrespectful, a few expletives here and there is letting off steam, but telling each other about their mother, that's pushing it. They say Jayden has been different since he met Fabbi, but why someone make a difference in your life and you are telling them about their parts and describing it to the world? That's toxic. If you are planning to do your Christmas shopping, make sure to get an early start, because you will be competing with a massive crowd, and honestly it's very hectic if you ask me. If you want more of my content, just go to my TikTok page. I see your business repost. You will get everyday content from my TikTok stories and much more.